Okay guys, just made it 60 bucks cutting grass. It's not too bad. A lot of work though, you know, a lot of sweating in this heavy heat. That's why I always had so many lawnmowers here because I cut grass, but now I've reduced the amount of grass I cut and sell. So show you what's going on inside here. And tomorrow I'm going to meet somebody to sell this Redmax right here, guys. This nice long Redmax right here. Oh, I'm going to sell that sucker right there, guys. It's in really good shape, you know. It looks a little dusty and stuff, but this sucker starts right up. Got the new head on there. You guys saw that video. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to meet the guy. I'm going to sell this, guys. Since it was so quick, he wanted to give me 80 for it. I said, nah, you can't sell that. I go for 80. I'll let it go for 100 bucks. That's the best I could do. Otherwise, it's going to go up to 130 or 150, because with Facebook you have to increase the price because people want to give you a low price, so you have to increase the amount, and then you could throw an extra 15 bucks. I really want like 120 for it, but we'll let it go for 100 bucks. If the guy takes it, if you don't take it, I'll sell it for more. That's all. So anyways, guys, got a lot done in the shed. You know, I did a lot of videos just cleaning out this shed. I might show some of that in this video, but there's still a lot more to go. A lot of work needs to be done. But you can see we got all that cleaned up. The floors are really nice, except for this little area here. That's where I left off. Clean up this area right here. Done with the floor. And got a lot of stuff stacked over here. Cleaned out everything under here. We got a lot of stuff, bins stacked up under there and stuff out of the way. Got some stuff stacked here. Got some stuff stacked here. This is all the wire I picked up from the floor. So this tote is full of wires. And this tote full of wires. It's hard to see, I know, but it's full of wires. So we got two totes full of wires. I got a strip. And soon I'll be able to get to my stripper, which is right here. Once I get this cleared out, get rid of some of these bins, and just get all this cleaned up, cleared out into the trash. And this kind of how eventually I want all this gone, so I can open that door and go in the other side to do work. So did a lot of work, guys. A lot of nails are gone. You, how's it? You, just there it is, guys. You. Hey guys, anyway, good morning. Got a sale today at 11 o'clock, so that's in about 50 minutes, 52 minutes. So here's the Redmax. We get this out, get it ready to be put up for sale. We get this in the grass right now. Got it all cleaned up. Cleaned it all up pretty much here. The whole thing is cleaned up pretty much. Looks pretty good. Got two people other than the guy I'm going to sell this to right now. 11 o'clock. Two other people are interested in it, so definitely going to be sold. Okay, last look at the shed for now. Try to get in here to do some more work. I want to get all this cleaned up here, but I got this, put this here for now. Let's put flea market items in there for now and get all this cleared up out of here. So that's my next move, to clean all this, get rid of all this scrap. You can see I got a lot of wires and stuff here. Oh shoot. Okay, So let's go. A lot of stuff has to get listed. Yeah, been doing a lot of cleaning. Weeks of cleaning in the shed, weeks of getting rid of stuff in the shed. So it's getting there. It's just about ready for what I wanted to do. Then I'll have to work on this one here and get that one ready. But not as bad as this one. This was the worst one. Then we got this big one over here too. So, all right, we're gonna head out. Put this in the car. We're gonna go meet the guy. Hopefully this fits in the Hyundai. I did get it nice and cleaned up. It's looking pretty good. It does have some scrapes and stuff, you know, but it's used. This ain't brand new item, so kind of want to keep it. Guy offered me 80 bucks. So for 80 bucks, I can keep it myself. It's long, you know. It saves your back. Side by side, look at the motor. How much more compact the motor is. Makes it much lighter to use all day versus this bulky motor head system. Look how far this sticks out. And this one is about like this. So it sticks way out. It's just so bulky. The top end. If you look at this one, everything is consistent. You got your on-off switch, you got your throttle. This one don't have an on-off switch. It's over here in the motor. It's much better right here. No anti-vibrational system. This is much bigger. Look how much forward. This is a two-piece. This is a single shaft over here, making it a much better system. Again, you see how much this extends out, almost a foot further, foot more of length. Where this one is hard, it's got a little bent shaft here. Where this one comes straight and down. You can see the difference in the angles here a little bit, but that's how much bigger and longer the Redmax is as a comparison. Look at the size in the engine compartments. It's much better. The Redmax, then it's much lighter too. Guys, this is commercial. This is used by professional landscapers. Okay guys, we're waiting for the guy to show up. Hopefully he shows up soon.
They got SUVs too, they're really...
There you go guys. $100 right there. It's from the weed whacker. So the guy bought it. It was a young guy. You know, he was, what was he, in his 20s?
Yeah.
And he had a landscaping business, I believe, doing really well. So he actually owned 3 of those Redmaxes, so he knows the quality of the Redmax. So, but here we go, guys. 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So easily could have got 150 for it, 200, but it is what it is. I'm happy. He's happy. Hope you guys are happy. Alright guys, so here we are. We're back at the shop. If you want to call it a shop, it's whatever. $100 richer. You saw it before, $520, so $100 richer, guys. I don't even know where to put my money anymore. Put it in the pocket and call it good, because I got a lot more to sell, and there's a couple storage units coming up in, I think, mid-June or towards the end of June. or August, something like that. And so we're still in the yellow zone, and hopefully storage units start banging out, guys. That's why I'm hustling in here, so I get a lot more stuff. So quality items, not junk like these two storage units. They were good, guys, but they didn't like. I found silver, gold, but quality items that could sell real quick. But I listed a lot of items up on the on the area flea market down there. Hopefully, I'll be able to start selling a lot more since I joined some groups on Facebook, and one of them was the flea market. It had like 1,200 or 12,000 people associated with that. So that's going to be good, guys, because a lot of stuff's going to start to go. I'm going to take this off the marketplace for now. I had 3 of these containers. They're coming off the marketplace because I'm going to utilize them over here and neaten that area up. That's what I'm probably going to work on today. I don't know. And just figure things out. What's next on my list? I do have something that I'm going to clean out. It's another cooler that I got in the storage unit, so I'm going to list that. Probably 40, 45 bucks. And remember, always list like $15 more than what alright, than what you want on a quality item, like that. So I'll take, can I get it for 45? If you have it for 40, 45, let's say you have it for 45, you really want 30 for it. You take off 15, no problem. You get your asking price, But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Man, I just can't wait for the flea markets to actually come back. I'm on Facebook flea market right now, so I expect sales to come in and just start listing stuff like crazy before winter gets here. Get everything listed now before winter gets here. And then we got the whole Christmas season and everything. Stuff's gonna go, guys, quick. Before you know it, we'll be on our 3rd storage unit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, smash that like button, ring that bell so you get my next video. And don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video, guys.